everyone. I hope you are safe and healthy out there. This is Dikshita and welcome to Top 10. Today I'll be talking about the top 10 weird things artists use to create different kinds of masterpieces. So let's get started. So in this video, I'll be taking you through a journey of pictures of different kinds of materials artists have been using to create amazing masterpieces, rather weird articles, which common people like you and I would have never thought. Starting with number 10, we have pennies. Do you recognize this face? Yes, of course. He is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th US President and the most recognizable face in the United States. He appears in every handful of change, but however, his pictures are tiny and our artist Richard Slater decided to make it a big one. Over 24,000 pennies, he created an image of Lincoln 12 feet high and 8 feet across. He noticed how they each varied in color. Using pennies worth around $245, he walked away with an art price of $2 lakh. Number 9 is toast. Our artist Lenny Pine was so inspired by the artistic potential of the toast that he decided to create an art out of it. Pine uses a blowtorch to scotch bread black and then scrapes away at it to create the right pigment. Using a number of slices, he creates portraits of famous people. Have you seen Mona Lisa eating an ice cream? Well, you will see one here by Maurice Bennett. Also, the toast artist follows the same procedure to create huge masterpieces. Number 8 is fruit. Stephanie Sarle is an American multimedia artist who is known for her fruit art videos which appear on Instagram. She is inspired by the psychology of kink. Sarle has been known to depict women's sexuality through her artwork, especially her food porn videos and photography. Additionally, she is known for creating a series of flower-themed and talking vaginas known as organs and crotch monsters. Number 7 is cheese. Some people just love to smother their food with cheese, but who can blame them? It's pretty delicious. But melting cheese all over everything make a pretty art? Yes, according to Cosimo Cavallo. Inspired by a time when he accidentally dripped some cheese on his chair, Cavallo has put cheese on everything from sheds to entire hotel rooms to dresses, etc. Once applied, he takes photos of the cheesy messes to immortalize them. 6. Ants. What would you do if you had 20,000 ants in your hands? Probably throw them away, right? But no. Artist Chris Truman decided that was exactly what he wanted to create his next masterpiece. Ants in batches of up to 40,000 at a time, he would kill them and individually position them with tweezers to make the image he had in mind. His artwork of self-portrait with a gun was put on sale for $35,000. Number 5. Fish heads. We tend to discourage children from playing with their food. But what if we are denying them a potential source of income? Yes. For artist Annie Catherine Becker, playing with the food is at her center of her work. Desire to play with animals, both living and dead, began in childhood when she would transfer her doll's clothes to her pet rats. Taking fish heads, she crafts little scenes to place them as if they were humans. Number 4. Pencils. Pencils are used by artists for hundreds of years to create art. So it isn't a weird entry, right? But it is the way some modern artists are using their pencils that is strange. Salvador Fidai is just one artist making use of his very steady hands to work on a tiny scale. Using a very sharp blade to carve out the soft and brittle center of pencils, Fidai has recreated everything from bold landmarks to Game of Thrones swords to astronauts. 3. Cigarette butts. Do these artists go on finding cigarette butts on parties and beaches? Yes, one such artist is Tom Deininger, who builds intricate collage sculptures using discarded items. The shell is actually 5 feet wide and 2 feet tall. The same artist also created this adorable rabbit, or at least it's adorable until you find out it is made from filthy nicotine-filled filters of discarded cigarette butts. Number 2. Poop. Yes, you heard it right. Poop. You know when people can go to an extent to express their feelings? Yes, it is exactly the same example of this situation. So one artist named Katsu created Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg's portrait out of his own feces because he thinks Mark is in gross inspiration everyone idealizes. Number 1 is blood. Winston Castiglia is a modern artist who works exclusively on blood to create nightmarish visions. His paintings are monochromatic, examining life, death, and human conditions. Quinn is another British visual artist who has made his own sculpture known as Self. Quinn's head, immersed in frozen silicone, is created from 10 pints of his own blood. Every 5 years, he crafts a new one to show his aging process. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram page, which is Top 10 XO, wherein I post the top 10 content every day. You can also DM me your suggestions if you have any. And I drama videos every Wednesday. Till we meet.